Hello. Let's see how mileage blocker works on Mercedes E-Class. First, checking total mileage with diagnostic system. That's exactly 64,718 miles, 104,154 in kilometers. Download SKF app on your smartphone. Connect to the device via Bluetooth and rename. In the app, you can change settings and parameters. Choose kilometer or mile, change design style, language, notifications, and etc. Before use mileage blocker, in the app enter total mileage. In our case, it is 104,154 kilometers. Before start driving, activate the blocker from the application, or manually, on the steering wheel. Press the return button for 10 seconds. Repeat the same action to change modes.
The speed display works without any restrictions.
As you can see, the counter on the speedometer is unchanged after the distance traveled. Mileage is recorded only in the application. After driving 12 kilometers, the mileage on the counter is still 0. Mileage blocker works perfectly.